Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Destrehan, local and long-distance movers near me. Any distance exceeding 100 miles is a long-distance move. Long-distance moves are time-consuming, overwhelming, and costly. You can make your long-distance move stress-free only if you do it right. Do not look further than 3 Movers if you're looking for a moving company in Destrehan. We have been serving our clients for more than 20 years. As a result, we have decades of experience in providing people with a stress-free moving experience. In addition, we understand that you need the reassurance of our belongings. Therefore, we provide insurance coverage that facilitates any risk of damage. As a result, you can only rely on us for a hassle-free move. You might be thinking of completing your local move with the help of friends and family. While this might be possible, many people underestimate the effort and time required to complete the local move successfully. Instead of asking for help from friends and family, hire a local moving company to help you with the moving process. 3 Movers is a local moving company in Destrehan that can complete your local move in no time. Our moving experts provide you with the most cost-effective solutions to ensure that your move does not exceed the budget. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Destrehan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.